Myles, what are we doing, dude? It is nasty outside, but we're here anyway, folks. It's Myles and Papa. Myles and Papa. We got Lucci the hyena back there. He's going crazy. He had to come for Galena. Here comes the choo-choo. This looks very short or empty. Oh, I don't know. There it comes. There it comes. Myles, do you like to come see the choo-choos? What are you eating? Don't tell your mom, but we're eating raisinets. We're crushing them, Mom. We're crushing them. Who is that? Myles, wave at him. Myles, I think I'm going to be a locomotive engineer when I go back to work. Do you like that? You think you've got the coolest daddy in the world? Uh-oh, look at that! Look at that, a double rainbow! Myles, a double rainbow! Is that what you were trying to tell Daddy, a double rainbow? Wow! We just had a double rainbow on video, folks. One ended, one just came through. Is that cool or what, Myles? Is that what you were screaming for? Pretty cool, huh? Lucci, you got to see a double rainbow too. Is there another one coming? Triple rainbow, Myles? You tell him, Myles. Who's got the big old boogie woogies up there? Boogie woogie woogies.